Oh shoot, here we go. Here we go. Last on 13.
Signal was a test of the NOAA radio all-hazard station WXG-23 public warning system. This test is conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allendale, Beaufort, Colleton, Hampton, and Jasper. It will also be activated for tornado, severe thunderstorm, and flash flood warnings only for the county of Denver. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio all-hazard station WXG-23 by the National Weather Service Office in Charleston, South Carolina.
There we go.
These are the 11 a.m. weather reports from around the area at Marine
Alright,
Corps Air
then.
Station
Thank you for watching.
Beaufort.